It's giveaway time again at Kim's Beauty Biz. Look at this cosmetic bag filled with all kind of makeup and skincare goodies. We've got the Creme Mousse Confort Cleanser. I'm also giving away Tonique Confort Toner. And check this out, another kind of toner, Tonique Doucier, as well as some awesome makeup. Lay Absolute Rouge lipstick in the shade of French Tea and an Idol mascara, all travel sizes. You guys, this is the best giveaway, $140 value. The rules for the entry are: number 1, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Number 2, comment entered below this video so I know that you have gone to the website for step 3 and submitted an entry form. The contest starts now and ends Sunday, August 18th at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, and I'm having a live drawing for the winner that night at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. It's giveaway time again, and I am giving away some amazing Lancome and skincare products. This Lancome embroidered terry cloth bag full of makeup and skincare goodies. Now, the first item is the Creme Mousse Confort Cleanser, my absolute fave. OMG, I absolutely love it. And the Tonique Confort Toner, absolutely love that too. And a Tonique Doucier toner, where you can decide which toner you like the best depending on your skin type. But also, this time, I'm giving away some makeup as well. I've got a travel size of Idol mascara and the Lay Absolute Rouge lipstick shade French Tea. You guys, there's 3 easy rules. Number 1, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have already, yay for you, you're already ahead of the game. Number 2, comment entered below this video. It's an official contest video where I know you have gone to step 3, which is going to my website. The link is in the description below this video. You submit a short entry form. I've got to have the address so I know where to send the products to the winner. You guys, the contest goes from now until Sunday, August 18th. I'm going to shut the contest down at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time so I can prep for the drawing, and the drawing will be that same evening at 6 p.m. live here on YouTube Central Standard Time on Sunday the 18th. You guys, it does not hurt to enter. You have a chance to win all these free Lancome products. People love the giveaways. I'm going to start doing more and more of them. Do not miss this chance. Enter the contest so you might be able to win all these Lancome goodies. And as always, much love.